To make working with Synkronizer as convenient as possible, we have built in a couple features regarding the highlighting and the color coding of differences. For our example, I have opened two workbooks, and the two worksheet names are identical, so Synkronizer has matched them already automatically. Let's click on the Start icon to compare the two worksheets. Our worksheet has a background, and that may conflict in certain cases with the highlighting of differences. To avoid this, you have several options. First of all, go to Highlighting, and there you can choose to do No Highlighting, Highlight the differences, that is the default setting, and Clear and Highlighting. Click on No Highlighting, and all the differences, or the highlighting of the differences, is gone. You still can work through the differences, and it jumps automatically to the differences and you can update them, but the color coding is gone and it will no further disturb you. The second option you have is to clear and highlight differences. Now what that does is it erases all the backgrounds from your worksheets and only shows the color coding of the differences. However, if you choose this option and you save the worksheets after updating them, the background will not come back. Once you choose this option and you save your worksheet, the background is gone. Another option you have is in Project, Settings, and here you can change the colors that they no longer disturb you from a background and the color coding of differences. You can either choose your preferred colors or you can choose among a given set of color schemes. If you change the colors and you would like to reset them to the original factory setting, simply click on Reset Defaults to Factory and the original color coding of Synkronizer is back again. That's it, how to adjust and work with the color coding and the highlighting. Thank you for watching.